Hey, good morning. Tans, da, yeah. First. Morning, guys. Morning. Alessandro, good morning. Abrashi to Natsa. Electrorep, good morning. Joseph, good morning. Mati, good morning. Kole, good morning. Morning, guys. Coffee time, Sunday morning. I can't see how to make the. Okay. It's working fine now. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Silvio Natsa. IT, good morning. Natsa. Henry, good morning. Don Hueva, good morning. Ken, good morning. Turi, good morning. Mr. Mario Natsa, Sebastian, good morning. Amber, good morning. Osiki, good morning. Guys, just grab a coffee and let's have a coffee together. Mig, Ola, good morning. JFix, good morning. Morning, guys. Ken, thank you very much for the member. Thank you. Thank you. Be sure you link your YouTube with Discord so you can access members only chat. Milan, good morning. Mike, just finished my coffee. Morning. How is going? Is going great. Looks like the cold weather is coming, starting from tomorrow. Flaxseed, hello from Romania. Neața. So how is everyone, huh? What you did in the last week? What problems you have? Is anything we can speak about? Tom Cruise. Nu știu de care video spui. Ultimul a fost Lenovo cu MOSFET-ul sudat pe placă. Alessandro, any update on your daughter fly school? Yeah. So she is on the last phase. It's on the navigation. So after the navigation is the big exam. So it's like nearly finished. She is she has around 40 hours by now, and she started the navigation. Yeah, it's going great. I mean the PPL is not the it's not a concern. Everyone is taking the PPL. It's not that hard. The problem is the ATPL. Yeah. So the university where my daughter is, it's weird. So on the year 2 of the university, the students are they have no school. They said, okay, you have no school, so you have to learn for the ATPL and pass the ATPL exam, and then they are going back to the university from the year 3. Yeah, kind of weird. So basically, year 2, it's yeah, strange. Maria Nazza. Morning, guys. I have a PS4 not turning on. I have a PS5. I have to fix it with some beeps and stuff. It's just me, or you start doing more video for us? The videos, Ayok, the video is for everyone. You see, and I publish the video first for members only, then one day later it's for everyone. Try to make it fair for everyone. Yeah. Abu. No, I didn't see that. Zoltan Natsa. I think you refer about FAA. Yeah, Abu. I know what you mean. I didn't see the video, but it was expected. Kit, good morning. Popescu Natsa. What is your opinion about not sure what should I say about that. I don't have an opinion. I bought some products from them are good, some are just rubbish. Remember we on the last no last few months ago we reviewed the radiation detector from them, and it's like it's proper poor. But on the other hand, we have the USB-C power meter, which I'm using on the power supply, and it's great. Cubas, buenos dias. Maurice, good morning. You made me laugh so much. Ha, JFix. That was not the first time. So first, I laughed badly with Diana together, and I said, you know what? I have to show this on a video. Then I laughed the second time on the video. It was funny. I'm sorry I couldn't help the customer, but it was just funny. Have you got on the radio this week, Mike? No, 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 not much time. Not much time. LCD, nu am nicio idee. Știu că sunt chip care nu sunt supported. Even good morning. Silvio. Everyone is laughing on a different way, but yeah. I'm not laughing on that kind of laugh like every time. But when I hear like a good joke or I see something funny, then I can't hold myself. Maybe you can give some advice of books. Books, AZ. Books. We are in 2025. Everything is online. Everything is digital. There are no books. Not sure what do you mean. You have YouTube. YouTube is the biggest library. I don't know almost anything. You go on our other channel, Sorin and Diana, because Diana start like you. She didn't know anything. And she started with basic. She learned about ohm law, about power supplies. Yeah, you can have a look there. Our other channel, Sorin and Diana. How to remove the RAM socket without damaging with the heat from the other side, Hada. Morning, guys, morning. I have a question about the BIOS chip. I had few laptops which drain the BIOS battery quickly. Probably the main battery is dead. that can be a good reason why the laptop is draining the BIOS battery. Uh, it was fine, just chilling. I still have a bunch of jobs. I'm trying to finish the jobs, but the jobs never finish. I'm trying to, okay, let me finish everything so I can focus on the tutorials. And then more jobs are coming. It's a never end. I have to stop, and I have to do the videos this month because the CPM on the YouTube is higher this month. It's even higher compared with the last month. So I do have to upload some content. Yeah. I put a new battery and instantly she goes from 3 volts to under 2. On that case, I'll come with the power supply. Yeah, you come with the power supply with 3 volts. And you see what is getting hot because something it is getting hot. The voltage drop is because of current draw. Yeah, so current draw, and you'll see the heat. Yeah, okay, that was a funny one with the toilet paper, I admit it. Santa Sorin. What time it's at your place now? It's 13 minutes past 8. 8 o'clock in the morning. So how are you guys? Hmm? Beautiful brain you got? Gordon, thank you very much. According with my wife, it's not. I'm just old guy with a lot of brain issues and yeah according with Diana. She got pissed off because I was batting the dog at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have a BIOS battery, it's not detected on Adele. Not detected. Can't trace it goes to the PCH. You sure, JFix? You sure it's not going to the EC chip? From what I know, they are going to the EC chip. Don't make a confusion between the RTC, the line, and the BIOS battery. Are two different things. Love your calibrated wire. I'm making jokes, and some people they believe it. Like, okay, Rosin is too expensive, and the people actually believe it. They say, "Sorry, you are so cheap." Like, you are you're trying to save money from Rosin. Just a joke. Come on. People are taking seriously the jokes. Jaroslav, good morning. We are cool according with my wife. Your wife. Perry, good morning. How is your Sunday? Great, great. No. I send them back, Jeff. I send back the toilet paper, of course. Rosin is so expensive. It's not. Good morning, good morning. Drink your coffee, guys. Next time, say you are using low melt solder because you are only heating up the. Yeah. Yeah. That's actually a very good idea. Yeah, we are setting up the temperature, we are saving the heating, and we are using Lommel solder. Ah, beautiful mind, Nagi. Struggling last week, couldn't find an issue. Cadillac. Yeah, I can go back and do car electronic repairs. Just because there are more money there compared with laptop repairs. But you start dealing with funny people, and I can't do it. I can't do it. It's complicated. I spoke with few, you know, garage in the area, but they want phone number. Like, come on, man, you're crazy. It's pointless. Phone number, solving nothing over the phone number. So I cannot get them like to just go on the website like any normal customer, yeah, like any company I'm working with, and like open a request, just to, yeah, I can't do it. Yeah. No, I'm really sorry, Amar. I didn't use something like that. Video, you said the Ohm law is important and the K law, Kirchhoff, Kirchhoff law, first law and the second law. Just check on Google, Kirchhoff with F at the end, double F at the end, and you'll find like Wikipedia. You'll find there. You'll find a lot of videos on YouTube explaining these laws. It's about multiple power supplies and on a circuit and how the current is getting distributed. No, I'm Romanian. I'm from Transylvania. I'm a vampire. Yeah. Seems like Russian? No, it's just, we are from East Europe, so every country from East Europe sounds like Russian. I will Google, yeah, Kirchhoff with Kappa at the beginning. Any recommendation? An inexpensive oscilloscope? I mean, you can find now oscilloscope with like $50. Nicest vampire I ever met. Love garlic. You did a lot of USB-C replacement, yeah. No, they are not the same S- studio, yeah. They are not the same. Every port is different. You will find like same port being on two different laptops, but it's just a mess with the charging ports with the USB-C. Victor, good morning. Maurice, you happen to know what could go wrong on iPhone? Replace the back glass. The back glass, and now it's keep restarting every 5 minutes. Not sure. The back glass is not with the wireless antenna. Yeah, Yeah, that's the one, Kubas. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have you ever worked on any of new Intel laptop motherboards? They are so tiny. Intel laptop motherboards. New Intel Which ones? I mean, like web browsing laptops or like desktop? Oh, you said laptop. Like web browsing? Yeah, they are tiny. Listen, Sorin, we're going to talk about new capacitor replacing strategies. Yeah, we can do that. Can you recommend a good UV light? Any UV light, it will do the job. If it's not getting hardened like quickly, it's because of the resin. Yeah, it's not because of the light. I made few videos about the Tem one. Tem one, it was like 1 pound, 2 pounds. This one, and yeah, it was doing the job. Yeah, it's on. You can see it. Yeah. Sorry, tip on soldering, SMD, standing USB-C. Ken, we made so many videos about soldering. I'm feeling bad when I'm uploading a video about soldering. You have so many methods to replace that port. Yeah, with the heat from the top, low temperature, with max temperature from the bottom, with low melt solder, with you have a lot of options to replace that port successfully. Intel Core Ultra. Okay, yeah, indeed, the boards are small, but yeah. What range is the IR? The infrared. I believe 300 and something nanometers. Nanometers? Not sure. That's how it's called. 360, something like that. Costel, salutări din România, salut. Janos, good morning. 365 or 4? Not sure. I have the same UV flashlight. Yeah, the one from Temo, right? Yeah. T470, internal battery at 4.4 volts and not charging. It is locked or internal fuse. You have to find out. I mean, it has 4.4. All you have to do to figure it out if it's locked or not is come with the power supply. If it's taking power, it's not locked. If it's taking power, the fuse is not blown. Sorry, have you tested those small car battery starters? No. I know what you mean. We fix a Noco. Noco? Yeah, battery car starter. But that's all what I know. Vampires afraid of UV? That's a good question. They work amazing. I mean, in the moment you have a battery issue, you'll replace the battery, right? Like when the cold weather or cold season is coming, you have to replace that battery if it's a poor battery. Silvio, A fost editat, înțelegi? Pentru că a fost mult mai mult de atât. Am fost extrem de nervos video ăla. Carcasa măsii, înțelegi? M-am chinuit la ea de să o desfac, de a luat-o dracii. Abia am desfăcut-o. Hi Soren, which programmer is better for KBC? I'm using the SVOD one, SVOD 4. It's better to buy a HDMI microscope. Depends. If you are on a budget, low budget, yeah, you can buy something like that. But I'm preferring the optical microscope. Global. I'm really sorry. I know they are not sending everywhere. I know that, but how can I help? I wanted to add an NVMe port. I think this question is above my skills. T4A0. This is a Lenovo, right? Wait, JFix, from where you get the discount codes? Parallel coil. I don't know. I didn't try Vertianov. I try only SVOD. But if you ask me, no one is worth it. If you depends what kind of jobs you have. Depends from what country you are. If I would be in Romania, definitely I will buy something like that. But here it's not worth it. It's just too much time spent on this. How important is ESD protection, repairing electronics? I believe the ESD protection has same importance with fumes absorber. Something like that, yeah. Greetings from a Greek married with a Romanian woman that we live in Croatia. Croatia is a nice country. It's worth considering living there. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen few people, especially ham radio people living there. They retire and they move there. Just because, the houses are cheaper and beautiful weather, beautiful beaches, and yeah. I'm looking at the HDMI capture card. They are pretty expensive. What? Expensive? What card do you want? So you have Elgato chip, you have Avermedia chip. You can use internal one, and I recommend Avermedia or USB. You can use Comlink, Comlink 4K. Yeah, they're cheap. They're not that expensive. If it's 1080p, you can use HD60 or HD60S external capture cards. But yeah, have a look on eBay, buy a second-hand one, of course. Are you using the mechanic scope? No, sorry. No, definitely not, Journey. The AI, it will not help us in the future because the diagnose process requires a brain. Yeah, so no. AI doesn't have a brain, so no. USB capture cards are often too slow. Slow? What do you mean, Sylvia? Slow? Yeah, I have Avermedia GC573, I believe, for the microscope. So I get 4K 60 FPS. Lag in the video? No, no, that it will not gonna happen because the capture card is doing nothing. Yeah, so it's not like a hardware. They are not hardware. The software and the computer, it will do the job. The only hardware capture card are Magwell, the one the Louis Rossmann has with 4 inputs. I had one. I sold it. The software was pretty crappy, and I sold it cheap. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check on my Black Magic ones. Nah, it's nothing major on eBay. My eBay sold. Let me see. I can't search on eBay. No, you can't search on eBay. Okay, that's crazy. I know. I can also search on orders. Hmm. Why? So everything is done by the software and by the computer, Sylvia. All the encoding and all the stuff. My friend has a mechanic. He can't select output resolution. Um, Even with high quality 4K cable and 4K monitor, probably the cable is the fault here. Usually, what the people are doing, they are going on Amazon, they are buying 3-4 pounds cable 4K, but a good cable, and you look at the bandwidth of the cable, it's expensive. Same with the memory card. You remember on the past, I don't know now if it's happening, but people are buying £1, £2 memory cards from eBay or Amazon. Then, oh, my phone is so slow. Oh, rubbish phone. But actually, the way how this works is the phone is waiting for the SD card. Yeah. We have so many of these customers coming from, oh, my phone is too slow. What can I do? We have memory cards. We have memory cards. 15, 20 pounds. No, no, no. I bought it £1 from eBay. Yeah, 128 gig. It's fine. My memory card is not the problem. The problem is my phone being slow. Yeah, yeah, happen. When is the AI bubble gonna burst? Not sure, but I seen online 10% of the people from United States got fired and replaced with AI. So not sure what should I say about that. But yeah, the future is changing, and we have somehow to adapt. What I know for sure, I have no concern regarding my job. The repair business, it will never die, and we're not gonna be replaced by AI. No, 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 no. Journey. They are fired. Yeah, the people from programming, they are fired because the AI now can program, can code. That's why the people are getting fired from programming. That's why. Yeah, I didn't know actually, but yeah, I found out. I seen a video. Yeah, the AI is getting smarter and smarter every day. Now you can have your own AI. You can buy Nvidia hardware and have your own AI. Company grid, Liliana. There are people they are hired to optimize a business. That's all what they are doing. Yeah, they are not. They are trying to cut how many corners they can to improve the income of a business. So those people are the most dangerous people. But yeah, that's their job to optimize a business. Like we have a laptop. Okay, what we can cut here? Okay, cheaper plastic, cheaper hinge. Yeah, stuff like that. In Greece, the government run AI to find tax fraud. Even here is the same. Even here, was implemented from this year. No, I don't think undergrow to diagnose. You need analytic thinking. Yeah, you need a brain. Yeah, AI doesn't have a brain. Has a processor, but not a brain. La Vianța, mă bucur să te văd aici, la Viana. E plictisitor, doar bem o cafea. Yeah. The gov wants to go digital cash. Yeah. That's one thing. Which I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Everything is on card now. You can't do anything. Yeah. You don't have cash anymore. The people are not accepting cash anymore. Then we have I seen and I don't even want to speak because the freedom of speech is very limited here and I don't want to have problems. But yeah, let's leave it like that. You seen the BBC the BBC scandal? Actually, I did watch that video and I thought, it's real. Yeah, with Trump, yeah. We edited video. Yeah, crazy, crazy. I mean, I'm not watching TV, I'm watching online if I'm watching. But yeah, Billy, good morning. We're living on crazy times. What did the Christmas? Here with you guys. Here with you. Yeah. Ce Sorin, are România șanse la baraj? Ce baraj? Despre ce te referi? Guys, have you finished your coffee? I bought a polarized light ring for my microscope and it's awesome. Yeah, yeah, it is. Sau nu urmărești? Nu am TV românesc aici, Undergrow. Nu am TV deloc. Te voi pe YouTube. Morning. We need to stand up for cash. Liliana, I'm assuming you're from Romania and you have no idea what lucky you are being there and actually dealing with cash, transaction with cash. Cash has some advantage, definitely. Yeah, I miss cash. Now no one is doing it. No one want to pay with cash. A single customer I had, he sent me cash on the package with the laptop. Probably he didn't trust. Probably he thought, I'm sending him some weird link to steal his money, and he sent money on the packet with the laptop. Yeah. Come to Waltz. We're all using cash. Really? Here is no one. They are not even accepting cash. Not everywhere, of course. I'm always choose cash one of yeah. Yeah, that's what we are doing on the show. Yeah. Always cash and people say I don't have cash, I have card. What you can say? You can say don't pay or go outside and take cash out. You can't say that. I only accept cash here. You're lucky. Our business, or not our business, let's say services business, yeah? Any business offer a service. Using cash, you have a level of freedom, yeah? Because, yeah, you know why. You know why. You know exactly why. I don't want to say it. Yeah. Didi is here. Yeah. Yeah, Mike, you got it. Yeah. Yeah, we all know. It's not like buying and selling where you have, to record everything. It's services. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna upload a video today. Um, I'm gonna publish, sorry, a video today. So you have what to watch. Our, all my respect, I watch a lot of videos to understand diagnosing, but I'm a bit confused. I'm a student, I can't buy a new motherboard. It's not starting with a bzz sound, then shut off. That's not helpful. That's not helpful at all. That's not helpful. No. No, you can't fix stuff like that based on a bzz sound. You have to take a multimeter, do some measurements. We have Discord, we have people sharing. Okay, this is the motherboard. You get a picture, then you draw the voltage. In this coil, I have this voltage, I have this resistance. On this coil, I have this voltage, this resistance. So yeah, you will get some help, but you have to you have to share exactly what you have there. Light, hello. Paul, good morning. Happy to see Paul here. Family time, guys? Yeah, it is. Um, yeah, we should do. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, definitely it's a problem. We are trying to survive, that's all. Maybe we're not gonna be rich, yeah, but we will be surviving. The repair business, it will always survive. It will always be something to repair there. And it's electronics, you know what I mean? It's just high technology. You're dealing with Ohm law and all the stuff. It's exciting. What is the lesson today? The lesson, Ahmad, is sometimes to stop from your work and enjoy a coffee with your community. That's the lesson to learn. AI robots needs repairs too. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Hide your finger is fine. I have no issues with my fingers now. Turn the radio on, Mike. I promise I'll do it. We're gonna do live stream with ham radio. Yeah, just trying to speak with different people, like DX Commander. You see, DX Commander, he's doing live streams with ham radio, so we can do something like that. But at the moment, I have to finish my job. It's very important, and then the other important things is to finish the tutorials. Yeah. Okay, guys. We can make contact. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. Yeah, definitely. But you know what? I start loving the FT8, the digital. I mean, you have to speak with no one. You know, just click. You proper easy, and you have like some insane connections, like thousands of miles away. You did FT8? Anyone did FT8? I have the program. How is called? WSGTX. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, but it's not really. I mean, I have no satisfaction, but it's working great. Yeah, I did FT8. Billy, you are a M0. You are an old heavy guy, right? M0. Wait, I'm a M0. No, the old people was G. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, G with the G. Yeah, here in the UK, G. G there, all guys. I'm G1, Frank. Ha! You see, that's a heavy guy. Yeah, G are the old people. I am zero. I'm zero as well. Yeah, Amrei is nice. You just need time for it. But Mike, you know what? I was looking for house prices on the north. I was looking for that. Yeah. G8, Grandpa. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna stop here. I wish you to have a beautiful Sunday. Spend your Sunday with the family. Um, yeah, I will upload something later today. Just enjoy the day, yeah? And thank you for being here and having a coffee with me. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, by the way, we have to finish the tutorials and everything this month because next month we have new season, new leagues. We have Last Epoch and we have PoE 2 and we have Diablo 4. Yeah, all three games with new stuff on same month in December. In December, we're gonna play the whole month. Yeah, we're gonna try to have like a month off if we can, of course. Cool. Uh, yeah, yeah, it is cool. So see you on the next one, guys. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Bye.